Just imagine what happens if you have the capability to develop an enterprise grade application like Amazon, LinkedIn, social media sites like Facebook, or apps like Uber, both server and the mobile part, both Android and iOS, or music discovery apps like Spotify, or video sharing community applications like YouTube, or an learning management system like Udemy. If you are capable of developing such application, just imagine how will be your career. One is your entire career, your whole life is safe because nobody can ever fire you. And even if they fire you, you know that one. You have that GAN, inside you. You can get the job anytime, anywhere. If you are not having a job right now, if you are a fresher, recently passed out, then if you know this properly, this entire skill set, at least you can get placed somewhere between 7 to 12 lakh salary in India, between 60 to 80,000 salary, $80,000 per year if you are from US. So that's the salary actually my students are getting placed for, at least I am saying. And yes, there are students we have placed somewhere between 3 lakhs 4 lakhs also, but again that depends on the skill set. What it takes to become a full stack developer, I am gonna guide you step by step, step by step, step by step. Either you take Java full stack, JavaScript full stack, or Python full stack. I have divided the entire course into 18 courses. So whenever I am explaining the coding, I will move to the bottom of the screen and with proper explanation I will be doing like this. Every practical aspect I will be covering and I'll make you code along with me. And I've developed an application to track whether you are coding or not. And so with my guidance, there is no escape from doing the practicals. Now coming to this, let's take one full stack example. Say JavaScript full stack. It is divided as basics, object oriented programming using JS. If it's Python, imagine Python. If it is Java, imagine Java. HTML, CSS, JavaScript is covered in depth, and advanced concepts. Few things which are very very important for the interview. Bootstrap is one of the popular UI framework that everybody should know, irrespective of whatever the full stack developer you are. And entire e-commerce UI is created. So either you go for Java, JavaScript, or Python. So you still need React.js. Git is one of the popular version control system. So like this, I have divided the entire full stack into 18 courses. A few more courses are not published here. I'll be publishing it, and I'm still keep adding the more things into this. So along with this, I have covered for every full stack 15 small mini projects. 15 mini projects. Just imagine by the time you complete all this mini project, you will be an amazing developer. And I have included 2 live projects. So that is along with while you are completing this training, along with my real developers, you will also contribute for live project. So this is actually the fact. I have a software development company, and you will be the part of the team to develop few live projects. By the time you complete this entire course, the first thing whatever I told you earlier, you will be capable of developing any application you want. That I can promise you. So that is the level of skill set I'm talking about. Along with this, you will have access to me all the time. If you are from India, you can contact this number. Sorry, 1 second, it's loading. Okay. So if you are from India, you can contact this number. If you are from US, you can contact this number. If you are from any other country other than India and US, any of this number you can contact. Both are available in both WhatsApp as well as for calling. But when you take the admission, I will be sharing my personal number with you. So with that number, whenever you have the doubt question, you can immediately call me or WhatsApp me. So I can pull out some of the previous chat messages and show it to you. One second. See this? So this is one group which has been created. What are the questions students are having? They will ask in this group, and I'll answer that immediately. If some explanation is required, I will share the Zoom link immediately. We'll ask them to share their screen and explain the whole concept. So this is one question that a student is asking, and I called him through Zoom and explain how things works and what is the problem he's having. So same way, many of the doubts questions different students will be having, and all those questions will be addressed this way immediately, instantly. There will no much delay in that. And coming to coding, every coding has been explained in depth like this. And other than this, other than you ask me the doubts questions directly, every day there is a QA sessions, live QA sessions, Monday to Friday. So that means from morning to evening you have studied, and whenever you have the doubts questions in the evening, all the students come together. There also you can resolve all your doubts questions. So this way, some question may not occur to you, will become your question as soon as you attend the live session. Along with this, I have the placement team in both India as well as in US. So my placement department who are in India as well as in US will arrange the placements of for both freshers as well as experienced people. Typically, we place the people for package. If it is fresher, between 7 to 12 lakhs package is what we are talking about. If you are experienced person, somewhere around some 25 to 30% hike you can expect over it. So my placement department will not charge anything other than the training fee whatever you pay here. All right. So if you are interested, please pick up your phone and send a WhatsApp message to either to this number or to this number. And as soon as you take the admission, you will interact with me live and I'll start mentoring you step by step. Have a grateful, very successful career ahead.